By understanding that everything is made from light, we can start working backwards from that point to verify, modify, and come to the same conclusions that have already been made by scientists. We can come to different conclusions too. Here are some examples. 1. Einstein theorized that energy and matter were the same thing. This is true because energy is a description of how light works. Light is the raw material that makes up everything. We understand that matter is divided light in solid form. 2. The first law of thermodynamics states that energy cannot be created or destroyed. This is true because light cannot be created or destroyed. 3. Light does not get tired. This is true because light is always in motion. 4. An object in motion stays in motion. This is true because light stays in motion and does not get tired. 5. For every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. This is true because light can be divided. Also, light cannot be created or destroyed. 6. Everything is trying to come together. This is true because the divided light is trying to return to completeness. In the universe, gravity is divided light trying to come back to completeness. We see this with the Earth and the Moon. The divided light that makes up the Earth is trying to come back to the divided light that makes up the Moon. We also see this with visible light. Visible light is absorbed into matter where the color or colors that the visible light has is given to matter when the matter is lacking those colors. 7. Everything interacts with everything. The universe acts as one. All of the particles that make up the Earth act as one Earth. This is true because light makes one body and acts as one. 8. Science currently is not sure, exactly, what light is. Some scientists think that light is a particle. Some think that light is pure energy, or a wave, or other things. The answer is that all things come from light. This is why science is confused about light. At the time of this video's publication, scientists have not realized that light is the raw material that makes up all things. Light can be divided and divided light can form matter. 9. Nothing can travel faster than light. This is true. Everything is made from light. Light cannot travel any faster than how fast light can travel. 10. When an item is burned, divided light shoots out at the speed of light. How and why does this happen? Here is the answer. To the observer, the item being burned looks stationary. In reality, the item is not stationary. The atomic structure is moving. When something is on fire, the divided light, that makes up the matter, is released. The released divided light comes out at the speed of light. 11. The sun produces light. This is false. The sun releases divided light from matter. The divided light, that is not needed for atomic stabilization after the nuclear reaction, is released. 12. There is a formula algorithm for the theory of everything. This is true. Everything is based upon the formula algorithm of light. 13. Science is looking for the God particle. Many scientists believe that everything is built upon a single particle. The idea of everything being made from a single source is true. Light is the source that makes up everything. 14. Scientists believe that divided light can form a solid. This is true because light is the raw material that makes up everything including matter. 15. Everything came from nothing. This is false. Everything comes from light. Many scientists think that matter can form from empty space. In reality, space is not empty because there is a fabric of space. The fabric is made from light. In reality, the matter is forming from the divided light in the fabric of space. 16. String theorists believe that everything is made from vibrating strings. The string theorists believe that how the strings are vibrating will determine the content of the matter. Are string theorists sure that they are looking at vibrating strings instead of wavelengths of divided light? Can string theory be modified to work with the wavelengths of divided light? 17. There is no such thing as magic. It is all physics. This is true because light is the raw material and everything is based upon the physics of light. When the formula algorithm of the theory of everything is found, then, we can work backwards from that point. Working backwards works well with understanding the Bible. This video set is full of examples of scriptures describing light and how light works. The comment section is open for discussion.